EOD robot is a specialized device engineered to assist in operations involving the defusing of explosive devices. This advanced piece of technology is outfitted with state-of-the-art cameras, sensors, and explosive detection systems, allowing it to safely identify, locate, and neutralize explosive threats. Utilized extensively by the Chinese military, the EOD robot plays a crucial role in enhancing the safety of personnel during operations that involve handling explosive materials. As a vital component of China's arsenal, this robot significantly mitigates the risks associated with military operations, providing robust protection for both military personnel and civilians. A research laboratory has initiated a collaboration with Army engineers and several industrial enterprises, aiming to develop a line of autonomous mini-robots designed for diverse environments such as urban areas, mountains, and caves. One potential product of this partnership is an autonomous reconnaissance spider robot. This mini-scout robot will be equipped with a variety of sensors for autonomous navigation and obstacle traversal, along with standard and thermal cameras. Russia plans to develop an avatar robot within the next decade, aiming to replace soldiers on the battlefield. This robot could be anthropomorphic, resembling a human, or take on a non-anthropomorphic form, differing significantly from human shape. In the latter case, for example, an operator might control a leg functioning as a caterpillar track. The developers intend for the robot to have functional capabilities comparable to humans. The envisioned robot should be able to interact effectively within human infrastructure, traverse rough terrain, provide first aid, and operate vehicles. In 2015, Russia introduced the first developments of a humanoid robot capable of shooting and driving vehicles, utilizing a manipulator arm controlled by a nearby operator for firing. In Korea, specialists from the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, KAIST, have unveiled the world's first humanoid robot pilot, named Pybit. This innovative robot distinguishes itself by replicating the human body, enabling it to operate any human-designed transportation without requiring modifications. Pybit can pilot planes and drive cars, fitting seamlessly into cabins and seats intended for humans, which could significantly simplify the automation of transportation across various sectors. For the military, Pybit represents a potential breakthrough if deployed in combat fighters. Equipped with a built-in artificial intelligence system, Pybit could revolutionize the military sector by creating the ideal soldier robot. It can react faster to emergency situations, retain navigation maps and instructions, and remain unaffected by complex physical environments, such as turbulence and road potholes. Additionally, Pybit's artificial intelligence allows it to gain experience over time, enhancing its capabilities. The U.S. Army is continuing to expand its humanoid workforce with the addition of the Petman robot. Initially, Petman will be used for testing uniforms, protective suits, and other equipment essential for military personnel. However, its creators note that with future enhancements, the robot may be capable of actively participating in combat alongside human soldiers. Petman is a unique invention that precisely matches average human dimensions. It features 4 limbs, but no head, which is replaced by a red flashing beacon. The android can move at varying speeds, jump, squat, perform push-ups, and maintain balance even when subjected to external forces. Its physiology mimics human characteristics closely enough to test military gear under realistic conditions, providing a high level of realism. Developed by top professionals from Boston Dynamics in close collaboration with the Pentagon, Petman represents a significant advancement in robotic technology. China has introduced its largest military bionic robot, known as the Yak. This impressive machine is designed to serve multiple roles, including delivering ammunition and supplies, as well as performing reconnaissance missions. Unveiled by China Central Television, the Yak is noted for its size, power, intelligence, and speed. Despite its robotic version being less than half its size, it can carry up to 160 kilograms of cargo and reach speeds of 10 kilometers per hour. Primarily developed for military applications, the Yak can traverse a variety of terrains, including snow, deserts, and rocky landscapes. Its capabilities include jumping, running, moving diagonally, and executing turns. Google's robot, Shaft, may not be as well known to the public as Atlas or Tesla's Optimus, but it is recognized as one of the world's best. Shaft is an android robot created by Shaft Inc., a Japanese company owned by Google. It gained fame after reaching the finals of the DARPA Robotics Challenge, a prestigious competition for humanoid robots. During the challenge, robots were required to complete 8 tasks: driving a car, bypassing rubble obstacles, clearing a doorway blocked by debris, climbing a ladder, opening doors, building a passage through a plasterboard wall using tools, closing pipe valves, and finding and connecting hoses. The Shaft robot excelled, scoring 27 out of a possible 32 points, the highest score among competitors. Weighing 95 kilograms and standing 1.48 meters tall, Shaft's agility allows it to replicate nearly all human movements. Before you stands the Russian humanoid robot Fedor, capable of dual-wielding firearms. Developed by Russian specialists, Fedor, short for Final Experimental Demonstration Object Research, is designed for extreme situations and space exploration. It can operate autonomously or be controlled remotely via a specialized suit. Fedor is engineered to accomplish 2 primary tasks: rescuing people in emergencies, such as from collapsed buildings, and undertaking space missions. Recently, it was disclosed that Fedor's dual-wielding shooting ability led to international sanctions, halting the supply of critical components like gears, sensors, engines, cameras, and computers from foreign companies. Despite this setback, Fedor's developers have adapted by shifting to domestic alternatives. Development of Fedor began in 2014, with its public debut occurring in 2016. The robot is quite versatile, capable of using keys to open doors, operating fire extinguishers, and handling saws. Specialists from IHMC Robotics and Boardwalk Robotics have collaborated to create Nadia, a humanoid robot that, based on published videos, is already demonstrating improvement in its boxing skills. Nadia is designed to perform tasks in hazardous environments where it may be dangerous for humans, such as participating in rescue missions or space exploration. According to the developers, Nadia is currently one of the most complex humanoid robots in terms of design, boasting 29 joints in its body that allow it to perform a wide range of movements. The sophisticated mechanism is engineered to enable intuitive control by the operator, eliminating the need for precise manipulation of manipulators. While Nadia cannot operate independently yet, its creators emphasize that there is no need to fear a machine uprising. IHMC Robotics hopes that their development will serve as a prototype for future robots and may also find applications in military settings.